Okay, it's been a long time, but I'm back with a really quick Goodwill haul. I thought I'd stop for 20 minutes this morning at the Goodwill after liquidating 4,000 items that were old and in preparation for some pretty big life changes, but I still need some things to list. So I decided to stop for 20 minutes. An hour and 40 minutes later, I left with 8 items. It was kind of a funky day. There were some really amazing things, brands and styles, but they were too worn or too expensive. And so I struggled to find much, but I did find 8 things. I spent a total of $25, so not bad per item piece. I'm going to go ahead and show you the 8 items just in case people are still interested in such things. Okay, this is a cut loose. It's not linen, but it's just a long sleeve kind of lag-in look asymmetrical top. This was 75% off, so I paid just about $2.80 or something like that for that. This is a size medium Madewell eyelash knit kind of brown mustard colored sweater. Also about $2.70 for that. Sorry if you can hear my cat. She's a little bit upset with me right now. I got this size medium Madewell sweater with these little pom-poms on it. This is really soft. I don't really pick up Madewell much anymore, but for $2.75 when I'm in need of some decent stuff to just throw up, I will grab that. This is Anthropologie wooden ships, but I just thought, again, I don't pick up much Anthro anymore either, but I thought this was really cute and it fit the kind of coastal granddaughter look. I did pay $4 for this one. Yes, I hear you. Do you want to come say hello to the people? Say hello. This is Cece. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put you down. Yeah, you have to go down. My goodness. Okay. I'm not sure how you pronounce this brand. It's a great brand for me. Goodrum's Shojin. This is a size large. It's just a turtleneck, kind of a fuchsia color. But I love this brand. I pick it up whenever it's not totally trash. There were several more pieces of this brand that were just really beyond worn. I paid $4 for this. And then this is the same brand and it was questionable. This is I paid $5 for this. This is a dress, which shouldn't have been questionable, but I don't know if you can see, it's pretty pilly and worn, but I think I can still sell it for $25 or $30. So I went ahead and picked it up even with the wear. And then I found several Ace and Jig pieces, most of which were also way too worn. But I did pick this one up. There's the tag. This does have a flaw in the waistband, but it's a pretty small and easily fixed flaw. But this is a skirt. And the lining, it's kind of fun. The lining is like a flannel check. And I paid $4 for this as well. So that is my haul for the day. I'm not sure how great that is considering it took an hour and 40 minutes worth of digging to find, and at least one of them probably I shouldn't have picked up. My cat is wreaking havoc. Anyway, that's what I got today. I'm gonna go ahead and get these listed today, and then on we go. Thanks for coming back. If you are an old timer, if you're new, thanks for dropping by. I don't know. I every time I come back to this, I promise that I'm going to get on the ball next time and I'm going to be here regularly, and I'm not going to promise that. I'll be here if I'm here. And if you're here too, I'll be thrilled. Till next time, happy selling.